Hello everyone, myself Swati Haritas, Assistant Professor, AES National College, Gauribidnur. In this session, I would like to discuss on E2 mechanism. What is meant by elimination reaction? An elimination reaction is one in which a molecule loses two atoms or groups from same carbon atom or vicinal means adjacent carbon atoms without being replaced by other atoms or groups. Elimination reactions are of different types. First one is alpha elimination or 1,1 elimination reaction. Second one is beta elimination or 1,2 elimination reaction. An elimination reaction involves loss of atom or groups from same carbon atom. It is called alpha elimination or 1,1 elimination reaction. Means if atoms or groups is removed or eliminated from the same carbon atom, then it is called as alpha elimination or 1,1 elimination. An elimination reaction involves loss of atoms or groups from adjacent or vicinal carbon atoms, which results in the formation of pi bond between these two carbon atoms is called beta elimination reaction or 1,2 elimination reaction. 1,2 elimination reaction or beta elimination reaction are classified under two headings depending on the mechanism of reaction. That is, depending upon the kinetic studies, it is classified into E1 reaction. Second one is E2 reaction. Here, saturated hydrocarbons are converted into unsaturated hydrocarbons. That is, single bond is converted into double or triple bond. Let us know about E2 reaction. Elimination reaction in which the rate determining step involves two species are called E2 reactions or bimolecular reactions. E means elimination, 2 means bimolecular. These reaction generally takes place in a single concentrated steps which involves breaking of two sigma bonds and formation of new pi bond and follows second order kinetics. Example for E2 reaction is when ethyl chloride is boiled with alcoholic KOH yields ethene. Here, rate depends on concentration of alkyl halide as well as concentration of base. Hence, it is second order reaction. The mechanism of E2 reaction takes place in a single concentrated step. The abstraction of proton by base and elimination of chloride takes place simultaneously. This step is slow step and rate determining step. The breaking of C-Cl bond and carbon hydrogen bond takes place simultaneously through transition state. The formation of transition state is called a slow step reaction and rate determining step. Here, rate of a reaction depends both on alkyl halide as well as base, hence it is second order reaction. The leaving group, that is Cl minus, leaves the substrate with a pair of electrons, leaving a vacant p orbital on alpha carbon atom of the substrate. On the other hand, an electrophile, usually a proton, leaves the substrate as cation, whereby the beta carbon atom of the substrate contains a pair of electrons in the p orbitals. The p orbitals of alpha and beta carbon lying in the same plane undergoes sideways overlapping, resulting in the formation of pi bond. Hope you understood. Thank you.